Welcome back to the channel. I am really glad you're here because today I'm feeling chipper.
Welcome to my cluttered garage. You know I'm really glad you're here. Yeah.
Two hours later.
It's been several weeks since Jack cut down the old silver maple, and we have got piles and piles of brush here. It's dried out now, so it should be good for chipping. Now you can chip green wood, and that works pretty well, but sometimes I find that the green wood's a little bit stringy, and if you let it dry out just a little bit, it chips much better. I've been noticing a bit of an issue with this Woodland Mills WC68 Wood Chipper. It's not really a problem, but I've noticed that the in-feed roller has been jamming up, seems like more frequently. And that's when you get an odd-shaped branch going through there, and it just seems like the wheel should be able to catch more. So what's happening is it actually stops. The roller is trying to pull the branch in, and then it just stops. I'll back it out, I'll send it back in again, and it still stops. So there is a pressure relief valve that we can adjust, and we're going to do that now. Thanks to a video from Sawing with Sandy that I watched, I want to try and repeat the same process here and see if it makes a difference. So under this control valve here at the bottom of the Woodland Mills wood chipper, there is a set screw that you take out, and inside that set screw there is a pressure relief valve that you can adjust. And it's probably pretty critical that you do it the right way, so I'm going to show you exactly the way that you're supposed to do it according to the video that I saw from Sawing with Sandy. So I'm going to take this cap off with a 6mm Allen key, and this is just a cap, so that comes off completely. A little bit of oil dripping by there. And then inside there's a 6mm head, and we want to tighten that up all the way. And I can see that that tightened almost 2 complete turns. So what you want to do is just tighten it until it stops. Don't tighten it down all the way, just until it stops. And then you want to back it off 360 degrees counterclockwise. And that should do it. We'll Put the dust cap back on, and we will try it with that same piece of wood. See if it makes a difference. So I've left the same branch in place, the one that was getting jammed in there. Apologies for the mower in the background, but Ann loves to mow, and we got to get it done. But anyway, I'm going to see if it makes any difference, because we've got the exact same scenario. And now I've tightened that pressure relief valve up to the factory specs, which again is tighten it all the way until it stops, then back it off one full turn. So hopefully that'll make a difference. Well, that definitely made a difference. The branch is still jammed in there, and that's because it's too much of a Y shape and it just can't funnel into the chipper. So that's really my fault. I need to trim that corner off. But at least I could see that the wheel was trying to pull it in instead of just stopping. So that was a pretty easy fix. I'm glad to have seen that, and I think we can just keep going now. I found this roll of plastic in the garage. I don't know how much is here. I'm going to lay it down here in the portable garage, and we'll put the wood chips on top, and that'll keep, not only will that keep grass from growing up inside the portable garage, but also hopefully it'll keep any condensation from rising up as well by having this layer of plastic. Believe it or not, it's exactly the right size, and that's been laying in the garage for who knows how long. That's why you should never throw things away. Go for a ride, Soph? Go for a ride? Come on. Go for a ride. Good girl. Come on, Hotch. Go for a ride. There we go. Let's go. They did kind of too good of a job stacking this brush. I couldn't even get it apart, so I had to go in with the grapple and just break it apart and pull it apart. There's certainly some big pieces in there that have to be cut up, but at least now I've got it spread out a little bit more and I can pick away and pull the manageable branches out. Well, that was extremely productive. It's going to take a few days to get through this pile, but I'm really happy with what I got done here with this pile. So that's going to do it for today. I want to thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed to the channel, I invite you to join us, and I look forward to seeing you next time.